hazvina kumira mushe. Panguva ino yari kunokunzi VP Kosano Chiwenga ari kushandisa maefforts ake as much as he can kuzama kustopa zvigananda. Toona some of the people they can't see VP Chiwenga's capability to lead the nation. Sare pena mashoko ari kuda panguva ino ari uya achitaurwa nevamwe vachiti VP Chiwenga cannot lead the nation panguva ino. Don't bo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Panapa pada kunzwa kuti muri Zimbabwe munoti kudii mashoko awa. Tine paenda mapuranga mudanyira achiti, I speak not as a politician, but as a soldier who has served this country with loyalty and discipline. I've seen the corridors of power from within, and I understand the delicate machinery that keeps the Zimbabwean state intact. It is from the vantage point that I say, without hesitation, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga will not be President of Zimbabwe. This is not a personal attack. It is a sober assessment of the political, institutional, and the national realities we face. President Emmerson Mnangagwa's leadership has been marked by a delicate, if imperfect, equilibrium, a balancing act between competing power centers within the party and the state. This has allowed for a degree of political space, economic experimentation, and cautious international re-engagement. It is not a flawless model, but it is a manageable contradiction, one that has kept the country from tipping into outright authoritarianism or chaos. A transition to a Chiwenga presidency would be a disaster, not a continuation of this model. It would be a rupture. Chiwenga is not a man of half measures. His worldview is shaped by decades of in uniform, not by the give and take of democratic politics. When Mnangagwa has tolerated dissent as a necessary evil, Chiwenga would likely treat it as a national security threat. The opposition would not be engaged, it would be neutralized. Civil liberties, already strained, would be further curtailed. The 2018 to 2020 protests met with aggressive military deployments were not an anomaly, they were a preview. Under Chiwenga, the state would not merely govern it, would command. Thomas Kwambudata kwa pangwa ino aiwa this user arguably is a former soldier pangwa ino arikuya achidismiss achiti VP Kosano Chiwenga cannot be the president. Bodza mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro this analysis. Comment section metonza funguro enyu. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.